right, everybody, July 3rd. I just want to wish everybody a happy July 4th, which of course is tomorrow. S&P, Dow Jones, NASDAQ closed at a new all-time record high today. I've been telling you this. MMT, people. I am the only one with an applied approach to MMT. I have been using applied MMT to correctly forecast the markets. I told you last November and December in that correction when a lot of people were panicking, and frankly I lost a lot of subscribers back then. People who were scared, people who were not able to control their emotions, people who allowed their fears to get the better of them. When I was coming out week after week, day after day, really, if you go back and you watch my videos, talking about the significant amount of fiscal support the economy was receiving, talking about the acceleration in bank credit, in loans and leases, in bank assets, in bank capital, all of these things indicative of a stable, if not strong, economy. Then we had the two corrections this year, one in March, one in May. I've been talking about those and explaining the reason behind those corrections, and those were tied to the debt ceiling. Now the debt ceiling has been a factor since mid-March when it went into effect. I have also explained that the rally in the bond market and the drop in yields is 100% connected to the debt ceiling. I've been all through that explanation. Now, all along I kept saying that the stock market was going to reach record highs, not just on a guess or on some, perma bull perspective, no. But really it all boils down to the fiscal flows, the fiscal support that the economy is receiving. And I've also been letting you know about these weak technical monetary conditions related to the debt ceiling that cause these corrections to happen. At some point, hopefully, they will raise the debt ceiling. And just last week, or was it, I guess this week, really, when Trump and China and the U.S. decided to declare a truce on trade, where I had been saying last week we were probably in the window of time now where we were going to see another stock market correction based on those negative technical monetary conditions. I said that will be postponed because the truce on trade will trigger a new expansion in bullish sentiment, and it will take the market to a new high, and here we are at a new high. Anyway, I'm not going to make this a long video. I've come out with explanations every time. I am the only one who has an applied approach to MMT. People signed up when it was $75 a month, $100 a month, $125, $145, $195, $250. It's going to go to $1,000 a month. I don't know when, but it is. It might not be a product for everybody, but if you're just a beginner and you want to educate yourself, I have courses out there. I have Understanding the Daily Treasury Statement course for 99 bucks. I have MMT and Value Stock Selection course, also for 99 bucks. I have the 25-hour online Forex trading course for $250. You can get them all for $295. Or you can invest in yourself for $250, which is the current subscription rate of MMT Trader. It's all available on my website at pitbulleconomics.com. And of course the mental game aspect, which so many of you lack. And on the flip side of that, many of you have achieved a very high level of mental game. Those of you who have stayed with me for a long period of time, and I see this. I see the progress. I had one guy just today saying, Mike, you completely turned around my life, my trading situation. The mental game, I don't only now just apply it to trading, I apply it to my life. These concepts of never quit, of facing adversity and rising above it, of mental resilience, mental toughness, of seeking out what is hard, embracing it when it's hard, because trading is always hard. And I've said this many times, that those of you who are chasing the system fairy, what you're really chasing is comfort. You don't want to make money. You don't want to succeed. You want comfort, and comfort brings you nothing. Anyone who has achieved any level of success in any endeavor will tell you that. Comfort keeps you exactly where you are. No, it causes you to deteriorate. You become soft. You do not achieve. You do not grow. You just kind of shrivel up. And the system fairy chasers, in reality, what they're looking for is comfort. Now, I've explained the reality of a lot of behaviors. For example, those who don't have patience. They're not looking for money. They're looking for action. They may not understand that on a conscious level, but on a subconscious level, that's what they're looking for. Anyway, listen. Plenty of time to do videos on that. I want to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. Tomorrow I'm going dark, which means no emails, no videos, but I'll be back on Friday. Have a great and safe 4th of July. New highs in the stock market. A lot of action left to come in 2019 and beyond. So if you're not a subscriber yet, you better become one soon. All right, everybody. Have a great 4th of July.